moment with the 9-month pregnancy of my third child, full of gratitude and hope. Not just to say goodbye to another end of the year, but also we are going to overview the past.
Mr. Toby, CEO of our company, please come on the stage.
And continue active mind to make products and leading the industry. So this is in our Tobys soul. We never stop this kind of work with us. And human resources is now good and talented people. Now this year we need even the situation is hard, but we still need good people.
Here we are all from different part of the world and a different country and a different culture and a different language, but united here as a Tobys team.
We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places.